Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you'll learn how you can reset your Duolingo account, for example, on your Android phone. So let us begin. In the first step, launch the Duolingo application, and once inside, for example here on your Android phone, navigate to your user profile by tapping into that face icon at the bottom. And to reset your account, guys, you will need to remove the language or the languages you are learning. For example, to reset and to remove your progress in that language. So what you want to do is access your profile settings by tapping into that gear icon in the top right corner. And here inside your account settings, swipe down till you get to this feature here. Let me find it. There you go, manage. Below Help Center, tap into it, and here guys simply select the language you would like to remove and tap into remove here to the right. And after that, confirm that by tapping into remove here. Just bear in mind, guys, that if you do this, all your progress within that language, all the progress you have made will get deleted, and that can't be undone. So only tap into remove if you're 100% sure to do that. I'm not going to tap into remove. I'm going to tap into cancel because I would like to keep my progress. And that's how you reset your account on Duolingo. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.